Quick note, this message is delivered through my digital twin. I use it so I can stay hands on with clients while still bringing you real field tested insights on what's working with AI right now. Same thinking and same standards, just delivered smarter. Here's something that will blow your mind. 87% of people believe AI chatbots can make customer service better, but 72% say the ones they've used don't understand their problems. So, what's the difference? The difference is the person who knows how to implement AI the right way. And in 2026, that person will be irreplaceable. I've spent 10 years working with companies implementing AI. And I'm going to show you the 5 skills that separate the AI users from the AI masters. Look, AI isn't going away. The customer success market alone is projected to grow from 12 billion to 47 billion by 2030. That's not just growth, that's transformation. But here's what nobody's telling you. AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about augmenting them. And the people who understand this distinction, they're the ones who thrive. I've seen companies automate 50 to 80% of their support tickets while increasing customer satisfaction. I've watched one analyst do the work of 3 because they mastered the right AI skill. So let's break down what those skills actually are. First skill, you need to think strategically about AI, not tactically. I mean, everyone's experimenting with ChatGPT. That's great. But the real skill is understanding where AI fits in your business strategy. Here's what I tell people. AI is a technology, not a strategy. You need to ask, what business problem am I solving? Before you ask, what AI tool should I use? The companies winning with AI, they're not just buying tools, they're building AI literacy across their entire organization. Second skill, and this is huge, you need to understand data foundations. You know what I say all the time? Companies rush to implement AI and then realize their data is a mess. Garbage in, garbage out, right? Before you can leverage AI, you need clean, structured data. You need to know what metrics matter. You need data that's actually discoverable. This isn't sexy work, but it's the difference between AI that hallucinates and AI that delivers real value. Third skill, mastering the human in the loop approach. Here's the controversial truth. AI should eliminate tasks, not jobs. The best implementations I've seen, there's always a human in the loop for the decisions that matter. You will not make a multi-million-dollar decision based on an AI recommendation alone, right? But you might use AI to analyze the data, surface the insights, and then you make the call. That's the skill. Knowing when to trust AI and when to trust your expertise. Fourth skill, designing frictionless workflows. I've got a friend who always says, if your product was really intuitive, you will not need a customer success team. He's right. The skill here is identifying friction points and automating them away, not just throwing AI at problems, but actually redesigning workflows. Think about it. What tasks are your team doing 8,000 times that could be automated? That's where AI creates real value. Fifth skill, staying ahead of the curve. Look, AI is moving fast. What was cutting edge 6 months ago might be obsolete today. The skill isn't just learning AI once, it's building a practice of continuous learning. It's experimenting, it's failing fast, and iterating. The people who will win in 2026, they're not the ones with all the answers today. They're the ones who know how to find the answers tomorrow. So let's recap the 5 AI skills that'll make you irreplaceable. 1, strategic AI thinking, not just tool adoption. 2, data foundation mastery, clean data equals powerful AI. 3, human AI collaboration, knowing when to trust what. 4, workflow automation design, eliminating friction. 5, continuous learning, staying adaptable. Here's the thing, you don't need to master all 5 overnight. Pick one, start experimenting, build that muscle. Because the future isn't about AI replacing you, it's about you plus AI being unstoppable. What skill are you focusing on first? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found this valuable, you know what to do. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. I'll see you in the next one.